taking a look at the radar loop, really we're not seeing much of anything from Lafayette all the way back out west. You have to go clear to California before you see some heavy rain, some more than 2,000 miles away. This will be our next weather maker. The blizzard of 2007 is here and across the area. Kelly, once again, those temperatures have got to be falling as well. However, now the line of storms that have been producing some hail and in some cases tornadoes are now moving towards the Lafayette area. Live Doppler radar could have made a big difference in 1994 when a tornado tore across West Lafayette.
Really neat work that she's made there. Have any of you tried origami?
No. I made a paper cup once.
Did you? Could you drink out of it?
Yeah, I actually did.
Really?
That's the only thing I was able to make. I couldn't make the birds or anything else. Well, we're calming down after a very windy day. Take a look at some of these peak wind gusts. 41 miles per hour for here in Lafayette, 52 miles per hour if you head towards Attica, and 50 miles per hour in Wolcott today. These winds are about to calm down, so that's the good news. Also, 71 degrees today for a high, 49 for a low. Keep in mind, 55 degrees, that's where we should be for this time of the year, so the abnormal warm period continues, and it's still 57 degrees outside. Clear skies, but this wind continuing to diminish. West to northwest wind right now at 9 miles per hour, and that's some good news, and that wind will stay calm as we go through tomorrow as well. Really the big story, look at this, all this dry air punching in. Here's our big storm system winding out around the Great Lakes right now, but it's continuing to weaken and move away from us, so that means tomorrow we'll have less wind and some more sunshine, also warmer temperatures moving back in. 71 degrees, that's today's high, but look at all these warmer temperatures back off towards our west as you head towards the Lone Star State, seeing a lot of 80-degree weather, also 76 degrees in Oklahoma City. This warm air will be on the move as the southerly flows. We go through the next 2 days, giving us some more warmer weather and also giving us closer to summer-like weather. Take a look at this. 4 seasons in 24 hours. We head towards Tuesday, 77 degrees, then the bottom beginning to drop out. As we head towards Wednesday morning, we're taking a look at winter conditions, a few snow flurries possible, and mid-30s, so more than a 40-degree drop. Here's what's causing that big clash of the seasons. The cold air from Canada really beginning to spill down into the U.S. ahead of this, is actually seeing some very hot conditions. So these two air masses coming together and colliding. And take a look at this. We are worried about this, some severe weather possible as well. Here's the warm front as we go through Monday. So once again, the southerly flow bringing lots of warm air into our area. But then by Tuesday evening, this cold front comes right through the area, and that's when we're worried about for some severe thunderstorms. Behind this front, some much cooler conditions. And take a look at these cooler conditions lasting all the way through Easter. In fact, we could wake up with a very chilly morning on Easter of 23 degrees, warming up to 47 under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, 45, clear and cool, and not as windy as we go through the overnight. And tomorrow, warming up very nicely, 73 degrees, mostly sunny, few afternoon clouds. But other than that, not too bad at all. And we're getting ready for Tuesday when we're going to be seeing temperatures warming up in a hurry. 77 degrees, getting close to a record high, but then that cold front goes through, and once again that 40-degree drop. Snow flurries on Wednesday, and these cooler temperatures lasting all the way until Easter Sunday. And this is not an April Fool's joke. These temperatures are really coming into our area very quickly.
Don't put those winter coats away just yet.
Not yet. We got one more cold spell to get through.
All right, and it looks like we have some optimistic things to talk about.
Yeah, Kelly, you were showing that 7-day. We could have highs in the mid-30s by the end of the week. And of course, with all the snowpack on the ground, it's going to take a while for us to warm up. But really, the long-range maps showing a completely different scenario as we head towards the end of February. And again, the snow will have to melt off, but we'll begin to warm up. And we could be talking about above normal temperatures as we head into March. So very interesting, possibly a big pattern change. But of course, this week it is much different. Take a look at this. I finally did it. I finally was able to shovel a path to the snowdrift that we've been talking about. And look at this, already up to half of where my body is. Now take this, times it by 2, or in some cases 3 times as high. This is what we're dealing with on some of the country roads. So we needed to take it very easily. And once again, Kelly, like you said, those 25-mile-per-hour winds not going to help out today. So we could see snow drifts to 10 feet high.
Thanks, Ross. We appreciate it.
Special reports.
We continue to watch the situation very closely. A tornado warning is in effect for Tippecanoe County till 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. If we could, let's go right to Doppler radar, show you first what's going on Doppler radar. The storm continues to kind of fluctuates a little bit back and forth.
The storm is becoming nearly stationary close to Romney, just to the southwest of Romney by a couple of miles. This is 231 and State Road 28. Those are the areas right now where we continue to watch the storm once again very slowly drift off towards the south. Earlier today, we had reports of a possible tornado near Odell and State Road 25 and County Road 1100 South. Also near Shadeland, we had some possible tornado there as well, or perhaps the same one that's continued to move with this storm. And now Mike Prangley has also continued to move. He's trying to move with the storm to give us some live updates from the